Hey guys, Kyle Black, J.Racenstein. I have the ProTool harness here with me. This is a brand new harness that is a great product at a great value. It's going to be used for many different applications, pretty much anytime you're going to need a harness when working. It comes with a nice instruction manual to tell you everything you know about how to get into it, how to maintain it, how to clean it, inspection logs, all of the ANSI certifications, everything like that. So let's go ahead and check this guy out. So we have the harness out of the bag and on our mannequin here. It's made out of high quality polyester, which is incredibly durable. It's got many different attachment points for putting on and off the harness and adjusting it so it fits a wide range of personnel that are going to be using the harness. It's got 4 major attachment points, all of which are ANSI Z.359 rated and certified. We've got the main attachment point on the back, the dorsal. We've got the ANSI certification stamped onto this anchor point right here. This is great for your safety line when you're doing high-rise. It's also got our front sternal attachment point, great for your descender doing high-rise or your roof safety line, and 2 hip attachment points, D-rings, great for your gear, or if you're working up on the roof and you're not going over the edge, but you might be getting a little bit close and you want to attach from the hip to an anchor point on the roof. Stay within that 0 to 15 feet for fall restraint. Great fall rest and fall restraint harness. On the back here, we got some more cool features. We've got a inspection booklet here. So this has the ANSI certification in it, as well as our inspection log for our monthly and yearly inspections. It's got a couple of load indicators here. So should you fall and hit your safety line, it's got a load indicator here where if too much stress has been put on the harness, it'll pop out and you'll see a stop, do not use it again. So great to know if the harness has been too much stress and you need to take it out of service and get a new one to make sure that you've got a well-equipped harness for your guys in the field. Overall, this is a great harness for a great value.